Hi, everyone. My name is Matt Taylor, and I'm the Director of Graduate Admissions for the Department of English and Comparative Literature at UNC Chapel Hill. First, I'd like to congratulate you on making it to this point in the admissions process. And secondly, I'd like to welcome you to the pre-recorded portions of this year's open house for prospective students. Unfortunately, the pandemic means that the open house has to be virtual rather than in person this year. But I hope that the resources we put together will be helpful as you decide where to pursue your doctoral studies. The resources that we have available for you include the other pre-recorded videos available on this page, which feature everything from short panels on different areas of study to an introduction to our wonderful libraries here at UNC, to an overview of the steps of our PhD program. We also have included links to videos that showcase some of the highlights of living in the area. All of these pre-recorded features, though, are really a prelude to the live panels that we'll be holding on Friday, March 5th. We very much hope that you'll be able to attend these panels via Zoom, as they're opportunities not only for us to showcase some of what makes UNC and our department so special, but also opportunities for you to ask us questions about the program. So please attend if you can. If for some reason you're not able to attend these panels live, we will post recordings in the days following to this webpage. Above all, I want to emphasize that I'm happy to answer any questions you may have about our program. Please feel free to reach out to me at any point to set up a time to talk by email, phone, or Zoom. Again, welcome to the open house, and I hope to meet you in person at some point in the future.